Alright, so we're just gonna do a quick unboxing. Let me just take this out. So here is the box. You guys can scan that if you guys want to for the QR code. Just takes you to the website. And let's just open this up. So it's small, by the way. Like this whole thing, it's on my hand, so it's pretty small. Alright, so we get this again, so you guys can scan. You get some trimmers, which, by the way, I've seen a lot of these that have sharp edges at the top. So it's nice that this is not sharp, because that's exactly what I was looking for. It does feel cheap though. Yeah, to be honest, it does feel cheap. Here we go, we got this out. Now this does actually look and feel nice, like good quality. For me particularly, this will not be useful. That's for a really thick beard. For me, it would be this. For sure this. Not this side. But I guess it depends on your beard. I'm not an expert. And then we got this. Also very useful. So here's the branding on the back. It's actually pretty nice branding that they got all the way around. And everything feels good quality. So this feels pretty good quality. This feels like good quality. They kind of messed up with the scissors though. They don't feel like the best, but they're fine. Again, they're fine. And I like, again, the tips. They're not sharp, so that's important. That's way more important than what people think. So right now, you guys are seeing exactly what get inside the box. It's just these three things, plus this. So you can store them in here. Branding-wise, they did pretty good. It all looks pretty good. Quality, it looks pretty good. It's just an unboxing again. I'm gonna use it, I'm gonna see, but I don't really see what I would need to review this later on unless this breaks. That's the only thing I can see breaking later on. But other than that, it's a pretty simple set. You guys can just put it all in here again, just like it came in. And just take it out whenever you need to use it. Again, it's a pretty small set. So this is good for travel, and it should be small. I mean, it's for your beard after all. But that would be it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write through here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.